we have the product is certified by Informed Sport. Now, Informed Sport is the largest global validator of products related to making sure that your product is tested for more than 500 different substances from an anti-doping perspective.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Ilan Sobel. He's the CEO of BioHarvest Sciences. And Ilan, good to have you back again. How are you?
Steve, darling, it's fantastic to see you again today. I'm doing just fine.
Good stuff. Well, good to hear. Out with another product from your VINIA line that has a number of different products, and you've talked about in the past that you're going to continue to introduce things for certain market segmentation. And today it's a daily chew. So tell me a little bit about these chews and the formulation that they have.
So Steve, it's not just a daily chew. It's literally a daily 2x formula chew. So this product really has been specifically designed to meet the needs of athletes and super active consumers that are just, cranking through the hours of the day, dealing with so much, also looking to work out, deal with their job, working out, vascularity, and obviously the demands of family life as well. The genesis of this actually came from a couple of years ago. We started to do some work with some athletes who were part of the combine going into the NFL. And we started to understand a little bit about dosage. And these were like super, super fit athletes, good blood flow, high oxygenation levels. And we realized that the dosage that was required to really give them the satisfaction related to the impact of the product was literally 2 capsules of VINIA. So we came up with this idea of coming up with a perfect optimal product market fit, and that was bringing the chew 2x formula chew with 12 milligrams of Piceid resveratrol, our magical ingredient, versus the capsule at 6 milligrams. And now inside the chew, it's great tasting. It's easy to chew, and obviously is able to have that impact that these super active people are looking for. I'm going to do a little taste test for you. Very good, intense taste. It's only 15 calories per chew itself. So really good product market fit. And then importantly, we have this product, the product is certified by Informed Sport. Now, Informed Sport is the largest global validator of products related to making sure that your product is tested for more than 500 different substances from an anti-doping perspective.
Yeah, and obviously that's very important for athletes, especially high-level athletes, because and we've all seen the things in the past of taking, a cold medication or something and not realizing that it's a banned substance. So that certification is really important as you sort of roll out this to marketing for those athletes, correct?
Correct. It's empirical, it's critical. We believe there's significant demand for this product amongst amateur athletes, but also professional athletes that are really looking out to make sure that you have this third-party certification. And what's important about Informed Sport as a global certification authority is that the certification is accepted by professional bodies, but also importantly, the military. The military is now requiring this level of third-party verification and certification, which so they should be. So this opens up significant new channels for VINIA to be able to access, and a consumer base that we really believe with a great tasting product, that obviously has that double 2x formula dosage, we're going to have really good product market fit. And we know in our business, when you have good product market fit, like we do with our capsules with a slightly older age group, that really is going to drive significant incremental revenue and acquisition of customers.
And Elon, lastly, you mentioned the capsules, which is where it all started, but you've also added now the chews. You've got tea, you've got coffee, you've got a number of different products all off the technology. And I would imagine that there are more in the pipeline as well. That's something you really want to focus on in the next few years.
Yeah, ultimately the strategy, it's our VINIA Inside strategy, where we talk about superior science with our botanical synthesis technology, superior efficacy. It's backed by, clinical trial, and obviously superior taste. We make sure that everything that goes out of BioHarvest, with whether it's our coffees or our teas, we've done literally quantitative blind taste testing. And ultimately, what we're trying to do here is have a portfolio of different product propositions for VINIA, which are able to impact multiple different life stages in the consumer's life cycle, and ultimately giving the consumer the choice of how they want to do their VINIA, from the athletes, professional athletes, all the way to our super senior consumers that are looking for that critical benefits of arterial dilation and improved blood flow, which is obviously very important as part of the overall aging process is concerned. And I will share, and we've said this publicly, that within the next 120 days, we will be launching the next product lineup as part of our cycle, which will be a unique proposition going after the $16 billion USA hydration market with a very, very differentiated proposition called VINIA Blood Flow Hydration. And we'll be talking more about that in the coming months, Steve. But again, leveraging our superior science, superior efficacy, and superior taste strategy.
Elon, thank you so much. Great to catch up with you. Appreciate the time.
Thank you, Steve. Have a
All
great
right,
day.
you as well, my friend. Ilan Sobel, the CEO of BioHarvest Sciences.